It is Drift Jam. We're heading out again. Taking the Beemer, and we're adding a new car to the Just Giver Garage arsenal. Check it out. It's a 2003 Nissan 350Z. Oh yeah. Her nickname's the Mistress. Why? Because the guy I bought it off of, you know, his family said black cars were bad luck. So the guy got 2 DUIs in it, and he used to fool around with the women of the night. So that is the Mistress, guys. We're heading out to the track right now, so we'll see you when we get in there. All right, guys, we made it. The car's made it safe. We're getting ready to head on track. Let's get into it. That's awesome. Well, guys, that was crazy. Spun out a couple times, but held a couple good drifts, so we'll get out there in a bit. Jimmy unfortunately popped the rad hose on his car. Like always. Yeah, well, he broke the little elbow, so the girls are out trying to find one. So hopefully we can get him back up and running. But yeah, it was awesome. Well guys, that's Drift Jam. It is now the day after. I was super tired after that, but it was a super fun time, man. If you guys haven't seen it yet, make sure to head out there and check out Drift Jam. The next one is September 24th. Don't miss it, okay? The car's made it home safe. The 350Z, I have to say, that thing rips pretty good for being bone stock. Like, I was spinning out, like, it's my first time drifting, so I don't know, I was spinning out a couple times, but at the end there I was starting to hold some pretty good drifts. Having a hard time trying to link them all, like link the track, but I'll get there. So right now we're heading out to Grand Bend Motorplex for the Berlin Classic Car Show, so don't miss it. The next video will be dropping like pretty well right after this one, so we'll see you on the next one. All right, well, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.